In this video, I'm going to show you my top picks for the best action cameras in 2022. These are cameras with great features, reasonable prices, and awesome reviews. I'll also be showing you some of the most popular brands and models on sale right now. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description. Below are the products mentioned in this video that is in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end, so you don't miss anything. Number 1. GoPro Hero 10 Black. GoPro's latest flagship isn't a huge leap over its predecessor, but if you're looking for the most polished, powerful action cam around, this is it. The Hero 10 Black's key upgrade is its new GP2 processor, which unlocks a range of useful features. We found some of those, like its ability to shoot 4K 120p video, to be genuinely impressive, while others, like its far more responsive touchscreen, felt like fixes for the Hero 9 Black's flaws. The result is an action camera that's more versatile and fun to use than its predecessor, and a waterproof companion that's ideal for capturing outdoor adventures or vlogging videos in 4K. GoPro's highest quality hypersmooth stabilization, which is now available in more shooting modes, was excellent in our tests and remains a big boon over your smartphone. Better value is available elsewhere, not least in older GoPros like the Hero 8 Black, but we think the Hero 10 Black is worth the premium for most people. Number 2. Insta360 One R 1-inch edition. Already a proven rival to GoPro's Hero series, the modular Insta360 One R is now available with a sizable 1-inch sensor. In our tests, we found that this gives it low-light abilities that are brighter, cleaner and more detailed than its GoPro rivals, plus a native dynamic range that's better than any other action camera. Its raw stills are impressive, while videos are sharp and punchy, in both 5.23K 25p and 4K 60p modes. That said, we also found that GoPro's processing powers are more effective overall, with video from the Insta360 One R suffering from shimmer and fizz in detail areas. The One R also lacks the point-and-shoot simplicity of a GoPro, with more sluggish software when it comes to exporting. All the same, the Insta360 One R produces some of the best stills and video you can get from an action camera. Its 1-inch sensor also handles the crop of image stabilization better than most. A flexible 5K camera with solid low-light skills, the Insta360 One R is one of the best action cams around. Number 3. Akaso Brave 7 LE. The Brave 7 LE offers an incredible range of features for its price. If a front-facing screen and weather sealing are more important to you than outright video quality, then it should certainly be high on your shortlist. In our tests, this model's audio quality was better than any other non-GoPro we've reviewed, and it has a fantastically intuitive touchscreen interface. The only slight downer is that the video quality, while decent at 4K resolution, doesn't quite match the rest of the Brave 7 LE's features. It leans heavily on noise reduction in lower light, giving your footage a soft quality, while the electronic image stabilization is decent rather than class-leading. Still, for the price, it's undoubtedly one of the best action cams out there, and unrivaled in terms of the amount of features it packs in for the price. Alright guys, that's all for now. Like I mentioned earlier, links to the best pricing on all items mentioned in this video will be in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. If you're new to the channel, and you like the video, consider subscribing. We do our best to keep you up to date with the best products on the market right now, so if you want to stay current regarding the best gear, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.